Hi all. In this video we will check a very important tool, that's collection. So I will create a process and I will provide a name collection one. Next we will provide a description. Okay, and I will click finish. So in this process we are going to look how a collection works. So this is the collection tool. I will drag that tool. So collection is a combined data item which consists of different data types. So we will check a data item. The data item can consist only one data type at a time, but for a collection, it contains different fields, and we can select the data type here. Different data types at same time. So I will delete this one, and I will go with the collection, and I will create some fields first. So click on add field. So I am going to create an employee data field. So first we'll provide ID number and it may be number or text. So currently I'm going with number. We'll click employee name, second field, and it's text. Third field, employee designation, and it will be text. And fourth field I will add employee age, and it will be number. So in the fields tab, we can create different fields and provide the data type. And if you want to provide the description, you can also provide the description in each field. So the second tab is initial values. So I can provide click on add row, and I can provide the details like we have created different fields: ID number, employee name, designation, age. So here we can provide the values. I am giving 100, employee name John, designation manager, age 40. Next one, not one, Smith, senior, age 35. Not to Xavier, associate, managers 25. So now I have created initial values, applied initial values for all these values. So current values is not accessible now. So we can check how a collection works. So there is a Okay, now I have deleted the extra column which doesn't have any values. So going back, now we have to read all the items, all the fields in the collection. So to read all the items in the collection, we are using loop. So I will drag and drop loop. So unless the other items, loop has basically two stages. One is the loop start and other one is the loop end. So in the first loop start, we have to provide the name of the collection. So the name of the collection name is collection 1. I am providing that name. I am selecting that name in the collection start, and now I will connect all the stages, and now we can run the process. So it will read all the values inside collection. So it has ended. In this example, we were not able to see the process flow inside this loop. So in these situations, we are using node stage. So I will add the node. I will link loop 1 to node and then to loop end. So what a node stage does is it will help to so it will help us to see the process flow, and it will not make any impact to the existing process. Now we can see how it works. So after starting loop 1, it comes to new node. Then as this way, it reads the all the items in the collection and it is completed. So now we can check the collection fields, the initial fields we have provided these values, initial values we have provided, and you can see the current value we can access now. All the items in the initial values are written to the current values now. So collection holds multiple pieces of data together in different rows, and we are using loop stage to read the data from the collection. Thank you.